Today I teach you one LED screen software how can make. Okay, first of all you download this LED mobile. This software link have my video description, you can check. Okay, and then after you can go LED software, LED mobile software interface, same like interface coming. Okay, and after you go Wi-Fi this one second. You go this Wi-Fi. Okay, and same like interface coming, and you connect screen Wi-Fi device like this, same like this one, same like ZSWL, same like this one. You connect this one. Okay, after you back application. Okay, this same like interface coming, and you write anything this. Okay, and you make size, screen size. Okay, example I give 30. After you change your screen size, how many size your screen, you go this corner, this button. Okay, same like interface coming, and you go first one. Okay, like this interface coming, and you this one off, first one, and width, your skin width how many, change this one width. Okay, and height also, and then you come send. Okay, and finish your screen size making, and you go speed, effect, and border also. Okay, you check all everything. Speed 20-25 normal speed. Okay, and after you go send. Okay, like this, and you need more line. Add, you can go this corner and add more line, same like system, and you can go second line, and same interface coming. You write anything like this, and after you make size and bold, effect, speed 25. Okay, same system, and border also, border effect, more effect, have no problem. And after you send, finish. Okay, you see I send now, loading. Okay, send.